I write, I should not have the least intent to sing, for singing once a glad content. I have none, yet I will not keep me still. Perhaps a song, my malady could heal. The love that else I fear would all my will. For song brings great good many times, God knows. I hope not so full of yearning throes. But I will sing, for I have comfort in travail, if the song please me, though it not avail. But now love holds me prisoner still. Deceived I am and wounded past all heal. Love conquers me and makes my senses real. The fault is not mine, but the treacherous blows of heart and eyes, my false internal foes. And he that was without an end, his entrail shall find a strife that no strength can avail. No strength can avail. I were a forest on a lonely hill, before my eyes with false and foul intent betrayed me to her, laughing as she went. If my own foes lurked not within me still, then should I not need fear love's sharp steel. If the wood's half did not its power reveal, nor would I, love, have feared your heavy blows, if my own foes had not disturbed repose. But my disloyal eyes abroad my fail, as the axe's half betrays the forest trail. You came against my will, into my heart it sinned without consent of reason, lodging you in mad assent. My heart gave shelter, reckless of the ill. But since each part has served your will reveal, your graces fits, O Lord, their wounds to heal. I ask not for myself, make glad my foes, the traitors who have plunged me in these throes. And may the heavenly King my thanks avail, for I pray for those who make my spirit quail. Yet still I dare to beg you mercy till do not withhold your grace with cruel intent. As I was strong to win, I'll not relent. I serve you, be it wisdom or fond will. The sense that chastens me I will conceal, nor ever was a lover with such zeal. More fearful toward you, yet you know the blows that servants bear and others fearful throws. But well you know, when one endures the wail of serving pain, the rest fear such travail. But love, since you have filled my heart's own will, with her the fairest lady heaven sent, I praise you and await for her kindness still. False, I do help, I smile with heart so leal. True, but I fear that you my trust will steal. Fear not this thought, your comfort still discloses how the smile is born where loving heart reposes. Yes, if the smile comes free from treacherous guile, fool, such am I use no vain, no wile. Good lady, your sweet answer brings repose and fills my heart with joy that overflows. So I forget my sorrow and my bale, but grant the gift, or else my hope shall